And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
I want to start with our June rainfall statistics. Now, we've been watching our June rainfall just skyrocket in Colorado Springs, and we've had 9.34 inches as of yesterday. Any more on top of that would just continue to blow our records out of the water. Not only is it now the wettest June on record, it's Colorado Springs' wettest month on record, period. It's wetter than May of 2015 and 1935, wetter than June of 1965 and 1995, and by far we have blown away this record. Previous was 8.13 inches. So yes, it's been unusually wet, way more than Colorado Springs has ever recorded, back from our records starting in 1895. So today, we could add more rain on top of what we've already had. We have a severe weather risk pretty much for the entirety of I-25 from southern Wyoming, even into New Mexico. So another round of thunderstorms today. We'll have widespread general thunderstorms across Colorado, and a few of those will be severe. And that would mostly bring us a threat today for hail and for flooding. Very similar to yesterday, but storm timing is a bit different. Our wind is still a threat today, as well as a low-level tornado risk, but we are taking down that severity a little bit. Yesterday was much more concerning. For us today, we'll have more limited severe weather coverage. So storms today beginning to take over. We've had enough clearing and sunshine that thunderstorms will be ongoing through the next couple of hours for I-25. Where you'll notice a lack of storm coverage today will be into the eastern plains. This is where we saw convection and thunderstorms this morning, so that has allowed the atmosphere to stabilize a bit, but we're looking at another day of hail threats along the interstate, along I-70 as well. So those storms will wrap up a little earlier, 9-10 o'clock. More typical timing anywhere from now through about the 10 o'clock hour, and then overnight we'll just have some lingering low clouds and humidity. High temperatures today below average, warm enough though to allow for more thunderstorms. Highs to the 70s, 80s. In the Pikes Peak region, talking 60s and 70s today, then cooling off with thunderstorms later, 70s for the Arkansas River zone. And then by tonight, we'll drop to the 40s and 50s. We'll be humid to start the day on Friday, but then dry air returns. We'll have sunshine and dry conditions with heat. That heat is here to stay after today's severe weather potential. We're trending dry or trending sunny for the weekend. The coolest day looks to be Sunday at 81. After that brief cool down, we're close to 90 by Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. For Pueblo, from the upper 70s today and storms to the 90s tomorrow, Saturday. Slight cool down for Sunday, then those 90s are the status quo next week. For Canyon City, same for you. Still seeing a chance for storms today and cooler. And we return to the 80s Friday through Sunday, 90s from Monday onward. And Woodland Park, chance of thunderstorms today. We're drying out for the weekend. Even 80s are in store for you by next week.